From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the Bitcoin market. And as you can see, we have collapsed during the session here on Thursday. Thin volume, but really at this point, I think what we need to pay attention to is the fact that we're close to 20,000. I've been saying for days this is getting a little overdone, and something like this was going to happen. So more than likely, you'll see a little bit of a bounce and a continuation down. Now, I'm not calling for the death of Bitcoin, but I am calling for a significant pullback, and it's desperately needed. The 50-day EMA would be ideal, but really at this point, it's going to be very noisy on the way back down. I suspect that people will find a reason to get long again, but what you need to see is more of a basing pattern. This type of candlestick is exactly what I thought would happen eventually. It does have a long history of doing this. But there will be people to pick it up at lower levels. So we'll have to wait and see whether or not it can hold some type of support below. As for myself, I'll be buying puts at lower levels. But that's just for a short-term move. Longer term, there will be buyers underneath. I think the 50-day EMA makes quite a bit of sense. So I expect a little bit of sawtoothing back and forth before we get down to that area.